was a direct clash between Cole and Lumbee leaders, resulting in a Lumbee shooting out the light and kicking over the sound system. I'm Terry Price, and I have always enjoyed traveling and exploring little-known or forgotten history that's captured on highway historical markers. It's not just another roadside attraction. It's local history, and it's fascinating. On the night of January 18, 1958, in Robeson County, North Carolina, the air crackled with tension. The Ku Klux Klan, a symbol of white supremacy and racial terror, had organized a rally at Maxton Field, near Hayes Pond. The Lumbee confronted the Klansmen, marking a defining moment amidst the racial tensions in the American South. To grasp the significance of this confrontation, we must first explore the historical context of the Lumbee Tribe and the resurgence of the Ku Klux Klan in the Carolinas. The Lumbee Tribe, the largest east of the Mississippi, is rooted in rich cultural traditions, linguistic heritage, and communal bonds, embodying a fusion of indigenous traditions and influences from diverse backgrounds. Primarily located in Robeson, Hoke, Cumberland, and Scotland counties in North Carolina, the Lumbee faced marginalization, disenfranchisement, and discrimination. Denied full federal recognition and subjected to oppressive Jim Crow laws, they yearned for equality and justice. Historical challenges, including land dispossession and economic marginalization, shaped a narrative of resilience and unity for the Lumbee. The Ku Klux Klan, a notorious white supremacist organization born during Reconstruction, saw its influence ebb and flow over time. In the mid-20th century, it re-emerged in opposition to school desegregation, targeting not only African Americans, but also indigenous communities like the Lumbee. Employing violence, cross-burnings, and intimidation tactics, the Klan sought to suppress racial progress and maintain societal divisions. That was their plan on that cold January night. James Catfish Cole, a notorious Klan leader and minister, organized the rally ostensibly to condemn racial integration, but also to remind the Lumbee of their place in the racial hierarchy. Confident in his claimed 5,000-strong Klan contingent, Cole arrived at Hayes Pond around 7 p.m. with approximately 10 armed Klansmen, some brandishing flags and a cross they planned to burn. Media representatives from various outlets were also present. Over the next hour, more Klansmen arrived, bringing the total to around 50. Unbeknownst to the Klansmen, fueled by a fierce sense of solidarity, hundreds of armed and determined Lumbee had also gathered. Many were veterans. Estimates placed their number between 300 and 500, vastly outnumbering the Klansmen. The exact catalyst for the confrontation remains unclear. Some accounts depict two Lumbee youths smashing the light pole. Others claim there was a direct clash between Cole and Lumbee leaders, resulting in a Lumbee shooting out the light and kicking over the sound system. Regardless, the scene erupted quickly. Lumbee fired shots into the air, while Klansmen panicked and fled, some abandoning their vehicles. Cole, his bravado evaporated, disappeared into the swamp, leaving his hapless family behind. The Lumbee, despite their anger, reportedly assisted his stranded family. The standoff was a tense display of defiance, and the Lumbee's symbolic victory was undeniable. They had successfully shut down the rally and sent a powerful message of resistance against racial oppression. Following the confrontation, Klan activities in the area declined, signifying a notable shift in attitudes towards racial justice. Lumbee resistance, emblematic of this broader change, unexpectedly propelled the tribe onto the national stage. The Battle of Hayes Pond, occurring amidst heightened racial tensions, the Lumbee's defiance against the Klan resonated deeply, a potent symbol of indigenous resistance. Captured in folk songs and national discourse, this brief battle drew widespread attention, inspiring marginalized communities, and underscored the civil rights movement's evolving landscape. The Lumbee tribe's confrontation with the Ku Klux Klan is embedded in the tribe's collective memory and holds a profound significance, marking a courageous moment in the trajectory of racial relations in the American South. It provides enduring lessons for contemporary society, emphasizing the need to confront and dismantle systems of oppression through vigilance and collective action. The Klan, though weakened, continued to operate throughout the South. Today, the Lumbee tribe continues to fight for their rightful place in the American tapestry.
130 years ago, it's the first time the Lumbee tribe in North Carolina sought recognition. But you got to go back about 250 years. But that's not even enough. You got to go back to the colonial times to see a tribe indigenous to North Carolina who has maintained a culture, maintained a language, done everything that they need to do to be acknowledged as a Native American tribe.
Their continued effort to achieve full federal recognition is a testament to their unyielding pursuit of justice. The Battle of Hayes Pond, etched in their collective memory, serves as a beacon of resilience, a reminder of the power of unity and the courage to stand up against oppression.